Have you got peeling wallpaper, crumbling plaster, musty smells, or water dripping into your fireplace after rain? Your chimney could be letting water in. Left unchecked, rain ingress can lead to mould, damaged brickwork, rust, and costly repairs. The answer? A Colt Top All-Purpose Chimney Cowl. Its unique design helps shield the flue from rain while still allowing smoke and fumes to escape properly. The closed-off sides of the Colt Top protect against horizontal driving rain. If rain falls vertically, it passes through the banana-shaped slots at the top of the cowl and goes straight into the specially designed Colt Top rain gutter, which then drains the water down the outside of the chimney pot. All bases are covered. Keep your chimney drier, cleaner and protected all year round. The Colt Top All-Purpose Chimney Cowl is available from all good builders merchants, roofing merchants and online hardware retailers. Visit the Colt Cowls website to find the right cowl for your chimney. Alternatively, you can call Colt Cowls on 01243 781 559 for expert advice.